Are you still using soggy dish towels? Upgrade to the self-drying stone mat from this great brand that keeps your counter spotless, dry, and odor-free. No more mess, no more mildew. Let me show you something that completely changed my kitchen routine. Look at this dish rack. If your dish rack leaves puddles everywhere or your towels smell after one day, this is why. This is Dorai Home Dish Pad. It was provided for me from my honest review, and it's made with diatomaceous earth, which means it literally pulls water away from dishes and dries in seconds. No more mold, bacteria, buildup, or constant washing. See all the things I have in my dish area? Bottles, pans, plasticware. The best part is this folds up when you're done, and so your kitchen stays clean and clutter-free. If you want a cleaner, faster, more eco-friendly way to do your dishes, this is the reason to keep watching. Now, if you're honest, dish drying setups are kind of gross. You have soap towels everywhere. It never fully dries. You have these constant plastic racks like this. No more drying with towels. Instead of trapping the water and transferring it, get rid of it by using this diatomaceous earth. It's a natural material that absorbs moisture and evaporates almost instantly. So when you place your wet dishes on it, it sucks out the water and it disappears. No more puddles, no more anything. Just see the completely dry dishes, and look how easy it folds up. It comes with a very compact way to store it in the side area of any small space in your kitchen, and it folds upright like this, so you will have an easy place to store and retrieve it. Now, this was provided for me, for my honest opinion, and I really, really like it. It's a beautiful neutral color, and it is a win-win for your kitchen area.